Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. CB hosted another thrilling experience, their Pan Chicken Regionals in Black River, a big hit. Organizers of the CB Pan Chicken Championship delivered a day of jam-packed entertainment for the entire family. The event continues to celebrate the talent of pan chicken vendors across the island in search of the top pan chicken cook. We have for you the highlights from last weekend's regionals held at the Independence Park in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Parish champions were crowned and judged on a number of elements, including taste, presentation and sanitation. They walked away with $40,000 cash courtesy of CB Foods, while the runners-up received $20,000 cash each, along with gift baskets from Pan partners.
Well, I am Kaim Newsom. I am the regional champion for St. Elizabeth. I am feeling very great, because I take the time and the effort to just come out and do my thing and see I have achieved my goals. And I am looking forward to go to the finals in Kingston. So I wish to further accomplish my goal in being the champion over the CB Pan competition.
Christopher Martin, Devin the Doctor and Kevin Downswell provided the perfect end to a fantastic first stop. Region 2 finals take place at Folly Oval in Portland on September 30. Dancehall artist Version is moving away from recent controversies to center his attention on his music and advancing his career in the international market.
I'm just staying focused right now, building Version as a brand. Feud and conflict can't really build the Version brand. Music is important, for international music where people can relate to. So that is important right now.
Version is pleased with his musical growth and is currently focused on a number of new projects. He shares the details with his fans.
I'm working on a single called My Success. It's doing very well right now. We have a video out for it. The song is not about anybody at all. It's about my success and the things I've achieved over the years. I did a collaboration with Shatta Wally, a very big artist from Africa. So we're promoting those singles right now. I'm currently working on an album right now titled Poetry. It's a 14-track album and it's very special, so you can look out for that. Trust me, it's a different side of Version, a whole different side. A side where maybe you're not going to expect. I have a Europe tour, the 22nd, from the 22nd to the 13th of November. Then from there, I have a show in London. So it's a whole heap of work Version I put in. So you can look out for a whole heap of stuff from now until for the rest of the year and beyond.
On the international scene, the new self-titled album from girl group Fifth Harmony is out. Fifth Harmony features 10 tracks, including the opening track, Down, a collaborative effort with rapper Gucci Mane. That's the only collaboration on the album, by the way. The group rose to fame after receiving their breakthrough on the 2012 season of X Factor. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.